Welcome to the AI Sonic Studio training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a video cover for your video. Go to the left menu and click on Designs. Here you can choose video templates from our Done For You template library. Choose a video cover for your video and it will be open in our exclusive template editor. Here you can further customize it. You can adjust the template with a variety of options. Add frames to your video cover. You can undo and redo any changes. Add or edit text to your cover. You can change the color and fonts of the text. Add images from your local. Add elements to your cover. You can also add icons to your cover. Draw your image. You can also add a QR code to your cover if you want. Once you are done, just save it by giving it the name. And your cover will be added to My Design section. Here you can manage it. Thanks for watching the video.